Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix M&T Bank website not working. So first of all, you need to open up this webpage on your web browser and check M&T Bank server status. Sometimes it can happen due to server issues. In case you find a temporary outage, wait for some time and try again later. But if you experience no outage here and still encounter this issue, then you need to clear your browser cache. For instance, on Chrome, you simply need to hold down Ctrl, Shift, and Delete key on your keyboard. A pop-up window will open up. Simply select all time in the box next to time range. Then checkmark these boxes and tap on Clear Data. Once you're done with it, relaunch your browser and check if it fixes the M&T Bank website error. But if it doesn't, then make sure you're connected to a strong internet connection. Navigate to google.com on your browser and then search for speed test. Here on this page, you need to tap on Run Speed Test. The minimum speed required for M&T Bank is usually 2 to 3 Mbps. So if it's anywhere near or above this number, that's fast enough. If your internet speed appears to be unreasonably low, then you may need to contact your internet service provider for help. This should fix the issue, but if it doesn't, then you need to contact M&T Bank customer support officials. Simply head over to the support section within the M&T Bank website to contact customer support officials. Hopefully, the M&T Bank customer representative will help you fix M&T Bank website not working issue. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.